Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you are tired of links always opening in the wrong browser, in this quick guide I will show you how to change your default browser on any Android phone. So for that you need to open your phone's settings. Now scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. On some phones, it may be called applications or app management. Check those out as well. Now look for an option called default apps. If you don't see it right away, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select default apps. Now tap on browser app. You will see a list of installed browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave or Samsung Internet. Select the browser you want as your default. Right now I have these two options and I'm very satisfied with Chrome right now, so I'm not going to switch, but you can. And once you choose the new one, whenever you tap a link, it will automatically open in your chosen browser. And that's it. Quick and easy. You have set your preferred browser as default on your Android phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.